So hello dear students, now we are going to do one demonstration regarding with the volume of regular and irregular objects. So as you can see here, you can see a regular objects. So especially for grade 10, I'm going to show some objects which is included in your syllabus as well. You can see what is this grade 10 cylinder. Yeah, this is a cylinder, and you know that to calculate the volume of this cylinder we have a specific formula, isn't it? So the formula is, you know, that area of base, the base of the area, you can see the base of this cylinder is circular, so area of base into height, you can easily get the volume of this cylinder. This is one. And next one is, you can see this is one pyramid, isn't it? Pyramid also we have learned in grade 10. So this is one sample of pyramid, and in case of pyramid also we have a specific formula to calculate the volume of pyramid, and you know that area of base, so it is a square base pyramid. You can see downside the base is square, so area of square, area of base into height, and you can see 1 upon 3 a square h we have already learned in case of mathematics. Okay, this one also. And for grade 8 and 9, you can see this is one cube. Yeah, you can see one cube, and student has make this cube. I have written name of that student also. So you can see this is a cube, and to calculate the volume of cube we have simple formula, that is L cube, because cube have all three sides, length, breadth, height, they are equal in case of cube. And next one is, you can see this is a prism. Okay, and look at here, this is a triangular base prism because the base of this prism is triangular in shape. So you can see this is a triangular base prism, and to calculate the volume of this triangular base prism also we have specific formula, that is area of triangle, area of base into height. So this is all about the example of some regular objects. These are not only the example, there are more other example also, but I have got the materials like this only. And what is our motive, what is our main idea of this presentation is, we are going to find out the irregular of volume of irregular objects. Okay, so one example is this stone. This also one irregular because it doesn't have a fixed length, breadth and height. Okay, it doesn't have a fixed geometrical shape. So these are irregular objects. There are other too many example of irregular objects also. So how to calculate the volume of this stone, how to calculate the volume of this irregular objects? So I'm going to do this here. So look at here, this is a measuring cylinder. You can see this measuring cylinder in your lab also, in your science lab. You can see this is a measuring cylinder. And first of all, what we are going to do is, we are going to put some water over here. I'm going to pour water here in some labels. So I'm going to keep here like 300 ml. Okay, so see here, you can see here in this measuring cylinder the initial level. Look at it, this is the initial level of water, and the initial level of water is 300 ml. This is in ml. Okay, the maximum capacity of this measuring cylinder is 1000 ml. This is 1 liter. Okay, 1000 ml, and I have just poured water here up to 300 ml. So initial level, I'm going to mark this initial level with my marker here. So this is the initial level of this water. Now when I'm going to dip this stone here inside this measuring cylinder, look at here, when I just dip it, the level of the water rises up, isn't it? The level of the water rises up, and it goes to 300 and around 7. Okay, you can see 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and here 100, 400 ml. So it is around 310, 310. So you can see the final reading here, this is 310. Up to here, every this line segment indicates 10 10 ml, so this is 310. So you can see the initial is 300, initial level of water is 300, and when I just keep this stone inside the measuring cylinder, then it goes 310 ml. So what is the difference here? 10 ml, yeah. So this 10 ml is the volume of this stone. Okay, this is an irregular object, and the volume of this irregular object, this stone, is 10 ml. So you can change that 10 ml into meter cube, or maybe in centimeter cube. You know the relation, 1 ml is equals to 1 centimeter cube. Relation is, listen to the relation, 1 ml equals to 1 centimeter cube. That means 10 ml equals to 10 cm cube. So the volume of this stone is 10 cm cube. You can change in other unit as well. Clear? So this is how we can calculate the volume of irregular objects. You can feel like, for example, when you are in swimming pool, okay, suppose you went in Hopi land, and you know that the initial level of that swimming pool before, when some people goes inside there, is a bit less, and when too many people are there, then the level is too high. So that is why when you went in 5 feet, although your height is 5 feet, 5 feet, more than 5 feet, but when you went to the 5 feet, you are just going to deep inside it, because the level is up. Clear? So when some object is put inside the water, then the level of the water rises up. So this is the main idea, and we can this is only one example. Okay, we can have too many example of irregular object, and we can get the volume of that irregular object by using such device. Measuring cylinder, there are other device also. So this is one example. Thank you so much.